What if I tell you what do not need a photographer anymore? No camera, no studio, no expensive photo shoot, just a few selfies. And AI makes a perfect professional headshot. This new market is making millions of dollars. Is this the end of photographers or a new business opportunity? AI headshot is a professional photo made by artificial intelligence. You upload 5 to 10 normal selfies. The AI studies your face, your angles, your lighting. After a few minutes, it creates studio quality photos. Sweet corporate background, perfect lighting. You can use it for LinkedIn, resume, or business profile. No booking, no waiting, very simple. This is not a small trend. More people work online now. LinkedIn is very important. First impression matters. People want fast and cheap professional photos. Become of this. The AI headshot market is growing very fast. Many companies are earning millions. Aragon AI, Better Pick, Secta AI, Studio Shot. These companies charge around $30 to $50, but traditional photo shoot can cost $200 or $300. So many people choose AI. It is cheaper, it is faster. Now the big question, will AI replace photographers for simple corporate photos? Maybe yes. But for wedding, fashions, and creative shoots, women photographers are still important. Technology changes industries. It does not always destroy them. Smart photographers will use AI as a tool. Now, let's talk about money. You can use AI tools and sell headshot services. You can create Fiverr gig. You can create Upwork profile. You can profile LinkedIn profile package. You can sell bulk service to companies. Some freelancers are making thousands of dollars per month. Opportunity is there. But there are also risks. Data privacy issues, face misuse risk, fake identity problems. We must use technology carefully. This is just the beginning. In the future, digital identity will become more important. AI headshot are only step one. The question is not if AI will grow. The question is, will you adapt or will you be left behind? If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.